Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good, what's up?
I'm good.
What's your name, sorry?
My name is Rashmi. What about you?
My name is Riaz. What kind of a guy do you like?
I don't usually easily get attracted to guys.
Okay.
Time थोड़ा और लगेगा impress करने में.
Now, the moment of truth. We just let them know they have to trade phones.
My God. What the Why am I here? Why? मेरे तोते उड़ गए थे totally. How are you nervous? थोड़ा दिख रहा है तुम्हारे माथे पे है ना? दिख.
मैंने आज तक दिया नहीं किसी को फोन, that's why. She might be thinking I'm nervous right now, but let's see. थोड़ी देर बाद उसका रिएक्शन पता चलेगा क्या होता है. Let's check her WhatsApp. WhatsApp में जो मिलता है वो Insta में नहीं मिलता.
ये बहुत स्पेशल होगी लड़की शायद. कुछ ज्यादा इनकी बातें क्लोज लगती है. I mean स्पेशल लगती है कोई तो.
बहुत स्पेशल है. The most special, yes. You're right.
An Afrin with heart.
She's my love. Yeah. The Afrin with heart, she's my first love.
Okay, so you're still in touch with her.
Yeah, because she's my mom.
Okay.
She said, yes, I like it so far. Want to know him more. I find it interesting.
He said no. रियाज ने लिखा है हाँ हाँ मैं रत्ना चाइनीज खा लूंगा आपके लिए.